How to show what games you are playing on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how you can show what games you are playing on Discord. So to do that, first of all you'll have to go to your Discord app on your PC. Now remember, this feature won't show up on your Discord browser, so you'll have to download the Discord app and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the settings icon, which is right over here. After that, simply scroll down and then under activity settings, you'll have to first of all go to activity privacy and then simply toggle all of these on. Now once you've done that, you'll have to go to register games, and then if you have a game opened on your desktop such as Minecraft, Fortnite or any other game, it will simply detect the game over here. But as you can see, since I have no games opened on my desktop, it is not showing any games and it is saying no games detected. But in your case, if you have a game open, it will definitely show up over here. But if it still doesn't show, what you can do is simply tap on the option add and then select. Now, as you can see, I currently have Google Chrome opened over here, so it is showing Google Chrome. So for this example, I'll simply choose Google Chrome, but you can add any other game. Now, once you've done that, it'll show Google Chrome. And if you want, you can toggle overlay on or off. So we'll simply leave it as it is. And then if you view my profile now, it'll show that I'm currently playing Google Chrome, and it'll also show me the time. So that is basically how you show what game you are playing on Discord. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.